How to fix mirror or inverted video call in Instagram. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is clear cache for the Instagram app. For that, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. From this list of apps find Instagram, launch it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Now click on Reinstall app. With this, your issue might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is head back. Now scroll down and navigate to the app Instagram. Now disable for the option camera, wait for a few minutes and then enable it. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is delete Instagram from your device. For that, press and hold on it, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Now navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, install it. If none of these solutions work, launch your Instagram. Navigate to Settings and Activity page. Then scroll all the way down, click on the option Help. Click on Report a problem. Click on the option Report problem without shaking. Click on Don't include and continue. Now here you will need to explain about the issue that you are getting inverted or mirror camera in video call on Instagram and request Instagram support team to fix it. So these are some fixes for mirror or inverted video call on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.